Hey everybody, on today's video we are going to put new blades on a Z355e John Deere Zero Turn lawnmower. One of the nice things when you don't, if you get it from a John Deere dealer rather than a big box store, is when you walk in there and you need parts, they have you in their system. So, and some of the big box stores do that too, I guess. But you just say, hey, I need blades for my mower, and they look you up, and then you have blades. So this is a 3-blade deck. It's a 48 inch. So we'll get those changed. All right, so the middle one I just replaced quickly, and we'll get the 2 outer ones just using my 3/8 DEWALT DCF890. Get her on reverse. Oh, am I gonna be tall enough? Didn't quite get on that one. Let's see here. If I can lift the deck up of here. See if that gave me enough room. Oh yeah. Get on there. You know, I've seen worse blades. I won't get rid of these. I'll keep them. They can be sharpened. Be the first blades of the year type deal. But yeah, it looks like found some twine. Whoever was mowing last. And there's a cup here that can sometimes come off, and you need to make sure you get that back on. Got a bolt and a washer, and it is 3/4. So grab the new blade. Make sure you got it going the right way. This bolt snugged up. And it should run all the way up there, just hand. So once you get it tight with hand tight, then go ahead and put your impact on there again. I am actually using the impact socket today with an impact wrench. That doesn't always happen. Get her on there. Got it snugged up good and tight. I clean this deck off too. Grab a putty knife and get some of this out of here. Yeah, it's a little kicked on under here. So, but yeah, that's really all you do for your blades. It's just this one bolt. Make sure, however you take it off, you put the new one back on the same way you took the old one off. So pay attention to that type of stuff, and you should be good. So I'll get the other one on, and we'll get the mower set back down. All right, got the new blades on, and before I take her out and mow, plus the grass is still a little wet yet, so I don't want to hit that right yet. But what I am going to do, because of course, always seems like when I get a used mower, it's got at least a couple tires that like to go low. One of my favorite things that Lizzie got me was this DEWALT air inflator. Man, these things are handy. So, real easy to use. You just screw that into the tire, or tube if you have a tube. Put it on there. And then hit your power button. Set your PSI. This one we're going to go 15. And hit play. There we go. Goes up to 15. You don't have to stop and check. Holds it. Well, it holds it for a little bit. This tire's got a plug in it, and I don't think it's holding real well. I thought about putting solid ones on here, but you know, you don't have shocks on these things. So what are your shocks? Your tires. So that would make the ride rougher. Yes, you wouldn't have to worry about your inflation in your tires at that point, of course. But just unscrewing it now. There you go, and then it just stores nicely like that. I mean, this is a nice, handy way. I mean, I have a pancake air compressor. I have a regular 30-gallon air compressor too. Yeah, that's a lot lighter. So much nicer to carry around with you. You can take it to the field with you. It's just all around handy unit. So got new blades on this one. Those old ones, they weren't bent the way it looked. So I'll probably be able to, I'll sharpen them up. And then, you know, those older blades, depending on what these look like by next spring, a lot of times I use those older ones for the first few mowings of the year, because you've got twigs or, you know, different things that have come in over the winter that can ruin your blades. So there we go, the Z355e. It's got new blades. Thanks for watching. Take care.